We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a brand new 73 plate BMW X3E. This is a hybrid. If a thief got the key, done a relay attack, they're going to be unable to steal it because it's protected with a Halo Mini. So they try to put it in gear, it's just not going to go into gear at all. Foot's on the brake, it's just not going to select a gear. So what the customer's got to do, use a unique push sequence. So for now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash from the full beam over there. Now we can select our gear and drive away. As soon as we leave the vehicle, we get 2 flashes once the door's open to confirm it's active, and it's going to need the code again. If the customer wants to change the code, what they'll do, turn the ignition on. So keep our foot off the brake. On these, you have to triple press the start button, 1, 2, 3. That turns the ignition on. We then prove it's us with our code. We get a flash. Now we're going to press the accelerator 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We get 2 flashes, it's ready to learn the code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn the ignition off. And we get 1 flash to confirm the code. So now we open and close the door, get in, start it up, pop our new code in, 1, 2, 3, 4. We get a flash and we can drive away. This is going for a service and you want to turn the whole system off. What you'll do, triple press the start button. So as before, foot off the brake, just to get the ignition on, triple press, 1, 2, 3. Fires up, then we'll pop our code in, and on the last button we'll hold it for 10 seconds and we're going to get 5 flashes. We keep it held. Got our 5 flashes, now we can let go, turn the vehicle off. When we open the door, no 2 flashes, the system doesn't arm. And BMW can road test it and service it, drive it around, it goes straight into gear, no problem. When you get it back, same as before, on the BMs, foot off the brake, triple press, 1, 2, 3 to get the ignition on. Just like before, put your code in and hold. This time we're only going to get 1 flash to confirm it's come out. Now we've got our 1 flash, system's active again, so as soon as we open the door, 2 flashes and it's on. So if we start it up without the code, it's not going to go into gear. The vehicle's protected, so pop our code in, receive our flash and drive away. This is a brand new 73 plate BMW X3 e-drive hybrid with a Halo Mini. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. This is the Halo Mini Immobiliser. Thanks for watching.